Thinking of grabbing some stylish clothes from necessitate.com? Hold up, you might want to think twice before placing that order. necessitate.com promotes itself as a trendy online clothing store offering everything from shirts and jeans to pants and casual wear, often at prices that seem too good to be true. But when we started looking closer, some major warning signs popped up. First, the product photos are overly polished and look exactly like ones we've seen on several other suspicious websites, which raises concerns about whether they even have the actual items in stock. Second, the website was only created recently in 2025, making it extremely new with no established online history or reputation, something scammers often exploit. Even more concerning, there's absolutely no clear information about who owns or runs the store. No company address and no real contact details beyond a generic email. That's a serious red flag when you're trusting someone with your money. They also claim to have excellent customer reviews, but we couldn't find any authentic feedback, not on their website, not on social media, and not even on Trustpilot or other trusted platforms. That level of silence from real buyers often means one thing. Either no one's receiving what they paid for, or people are being scammed quietly. While this doesn't confirm that necessitate.com is a scam, the lack of transparency, trust signals, and legitimacy makes it very risky for shoppers. So if you're thinking about ordering, you might want to wait and see or stick to more trusted online retailers.